Hey everybody, Brian here from the GuitarFactoryOC.com. Today we're going to look at AC/DC's You Shook Me All Night Long. Okay, inside this iconic rock electric guitar song, there is three main sections. I'm going to break down each one for you so you can play it right away. Okay, part one is the intro, and we're going to break this part down slowly, but here's how it sounds all together. Real bluesy, cool lick there at the top. So let's break it down one by one here. We're going to go up to the 7th fret of the G string with our pointer, and the 8th fret with our B string with our middle finger, and we're going to strum only from the D string down. So we're getting the D, G, and B. Okay, that's our first chord right there. Then we're going to get the pinky on 10, so it's open D, 7, 10 on the B. Okay, that's our second chord. Once you get those two chords, we're now going to do a single note lick here. And this lick is going to be on the B string, 8th fret twice, 7th fret G, B string 8, 7th fret B, back to the 7th fret G, and the open D. So that lick, single notes. Okay, combining with those top two chords. Okay, once we finish that, we're going to now go down to an actual D chord. Okay, with the D chord, we're going to be using the 2 on the G and the 3 on the B, nothing on the high E, just going to mute that. And then we're going to use our middle finger to touch on the D string 3rd fret, and we're going to give it a slight little bend down, just a little bit, and then once you bend that down, you're going to re-hit that D chord. Okay, so far we got this. Now, after we're at that D, we're going to use that same middle finger to hit that 3 on the D string, pinky on the 4, the 2, 3 of the D chord, and we're going to do that bend again on that 3rd fret of the D and the open D. Okay, this is a real critical part of that blues sound. Okay, so your whole intro here is coming from the top, combining together, gets... Okay, now once you get that, you're going to repeat the beginning minus the bluesy chords endings there. Just hang on that D chord. Okay, for part 2, it's going to be when the vocals come in and the verses are beginning. This is going to be a series of open chords down here that we're going to break down. So here's how it sounds, part 2. Okay, real open kind of campfire chords you might already know, but we're going to start with a G chord, and we're going to give it a nice big strum, and a mute with our hand down here so we don't keep it ringing. 2 C's, back to G, mute, back to C, back to G, and a D. And then we're going to do 2 more G's, D, G, D, and it starts all over again. Okay, so slowly. G, C twice. G, C, G, D. Ending G, G, D, G, D. And now it's starting all over. Okay? that all goes over the verse. That's all part 2 is. Let's move on to part 3. Hey, if you guys are liking my videos, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. I also appreciate comments coming in, love responding to those and staying in touch with everybody for requests and just some feedback. Okay, part 3 being the chorus sounds like this all together. We'll break it down. Really fun part because it has a lot of picking amongst the chords. We're going to start with 2 Gs, and that's the G that has the 3rd fret, B, and pinky 3rd fret covered on the high E. So you're going to do that twice. Open up that A string alone, pointer finger A string 2nd fret, middle finger goes to 3rd fret of the A string, and now I'm picking the open G, and the 3 that's on the B already. 2 on the A, open G, and that same 3, and a D, twice. Now I'm going to do the O, 2, 3 again on the A string, open G to 3 on the B, 2 on the A, G, B 3rd, and then we're going to start back over. So that is part 3. G, all right, those are the 3 pieces of You Shook Me All Night Long. You have your intro, your verses, and chorus. I know they have a great ripping guitar solo. It's a great one, and I'll have a separate tutorial on the solo itself. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time. If you're looking to improve your overall guitar skills and you want a good roadmap to be able to do that, check out the GuitarFactoryOC.com. The link is in the description below, and you can get my free Quick Start Guitar course.